basically I had it nailed. Just little, one of these. We just needed to get through a couple of critical resistance levels. We did that, and boom, we ran up. So let me get over into the screen here, and I'm going to go to that screen so that I can see it better. Okay, so basically we had resistance at the 38,000 level. We did cut through that, and then when we got to the 42,000 level, we wound up cutting through that. And as you could see yesterday, we went up basically. Let me just get my crosshairs going here. We got up to about 44,000 yesterday, and today we've seen a high of approximately 46 or so, almost 40, actually 47.7. So that's great. So I would expect that we're going to have a little bit of a retest of that 42,000 level. Just give you an opportunity to do some additional buying. Let's take a look at some of the shorter term charts. This is a 4-hour chart. We are a little overbought. Both on the 1-day and 4-hour chart, we are a little overbought. So that what that means is we are kind of subject to a possible reaction downwards. May not be that big, but we should wind up having some good support at about the $42,000 level if we do come off from these levels. In the hourly chart, we already started to come off from what we see as the highs, and we do have support at the same place, the 42,700 level on the hourly chart. And it does look like a little bit of a reaction is in progress. We have a little bit of head and shoulders formation over here. We kind of broke the shoulder here in the last, there's an hour. So in the last hour, we have broken that support line. And we also penetrated the midline in the Bollinger Band. So that sometimes points to lower levels. But, we do have support, like I said, at around the 42,800. If we get there, that would be a good buying opportunity. Same thing here on the 15-minute chart. Looks like we had a little bit of a reaction here in the 15-minute chart. And actually, on the 15-minute chart, we became a little oversold, and we're starting to come up from that. So a little bit of cross currents between the short term and the like the 15-minute and the 1-hour chart. But basically, this is looking really, really good. Sorry, clicked on the wrong thing here. On the daily chart, it would be great if we closed at the highs, but remember, we are a bit overbought here, and in fact, we're outside the bands on the daily chart, on the Bollinger Bands, and that's usually an indicator that we're going to have to go sideways for a couple of days, or we may come down a little bit. And so that's really, let me get back here to this and that. Okay. So we had some, and I did this all in 4 minutes so far. I'm winding down, and I am getting faster. So this is great. We did move higher. If we don't have a reaction here, it's very difficult to tell where it's going to go to, because we have no history up there, so there aren't any like support and resistance levels that I can say, hey, we got this and we got that. So you got to pay attention to those lines. I probably will try to figure out some Fibonacci numbers and do reverse Fibonacci's, so that if it does start to go up, there'll be some reverse Fibonacci numbers there, which should give some type of indicator of where some support and resistance lines may be coming in to the upside. All right. Well, that's it. Anybody who I want to, say congrats to anybody who did take advantage of this. Bitcoin is going to be a tremendous asset in 2021 and beyond. So you may want to be taking a look at this if you haven't already, and just look at it as a real asset that can build your wealth. All right. I am going to go now. So thank you very much for listening. If you like what I've said, please hit the like button. Please, if you feel up to it, put a comment in. Always like to hear some, what you think. If you're watching this on YouTube, then feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and we go from there. All right. Well, have a great Tuesday, and God bless you.